Best product 1 Our eyes technology is true value for money. I bought this product in 13,000 Rs. Nice look, sleek body, not very much interior space though. Good cooling. Everything is same as per other higher refrigerator. Important point, it's not matte finish. The color is black, height, 110 cm, breadth -51 cm, width -53 cm, enough storage capacity for 2 to 3 members, efficient cooling, 6-unit egg tray, 24/12 each, unit ice cube trays, 2 overall good looking and nice build quality, no much heating issue. Good product and value for money, go for it. Excellent. At this price the refrigerator is good enough. I got this in very good condition. If you have other option and bigger in capacity then go for that, otherwise this is perfect for small family. Super model and value for money. Click link in description for more reviews.